Hello guys, I'm Denis and I'm from Russia. In this issue I show you Russian McDonald's. Yeah, this is a Russian brand as McDonald's. It's named product and point. Yeah, this Russian McDonald's is opened when close USA McDonald's in Russia after sanctions. Okay, let's start. Delicious burger. Okay guys, this is Russian McDonald's. This is plagiat of American McDonald's. Yeah. In Russian McDonald's we have special equipment for orders. In this equipment we have different languages. For example, if you're from America, you can take English language. Yeah, and dining location to go or dine in. Yeah, menu for foreign people in English language. Chickens, fries and snacks, and etc. Drinks, desserts. This is full plagiat of USA. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, you can see hole in Russian McDonald's, delicious and point. Yeah. Different posters, special tables, yeah, and places for food that eat food. Guys, this is a new point in Russia, in city Ussurisk, and so in this moment you can buy different fast food, different burgers and etc. about really low price. Yeah, with discount. This is a special benefit only after opening. And so guys, in Russian McDonald's you can buy and order product with special equipment or with cash box with special people, with workers of Russian McDonald's. Yeah. Guys, my girlfriend Alina have problems with this machine. She make your order for really long time. Already about 10 minutes. Yeah, on cash box it was faster. And guys, Russian McDonald's have special seat places. Yeah, special branch. I think this is comfortable, maybe. Yeah guys, this is comfortable branch. Russian McDonald's. By the way guys, you asked me about my preview master who make me this very beautiful preview. Yeah, so I pin a link about this master below my video. You can press on this link and order preview for you if you need in this. Okay. So guys, in special monitor you can see that your order already. Yeah, and on cash box you can take your order about number of your check. So guys, what do we have in Russian McDonald's? What did we buy? 2 milk shake, 2 milk cocktail, 1 pie with cherry, so mini pie, yeah, 4 burgers. Yeah, 4 burgers. Yeah, 4 burgers. Let's open this pack. Whoa, guys. So, burgers as in McDonald's. Yeah, guys. And so special sauce. Oh, by the way, guys, you can see that on the sauce in left up angle, black flower. They covered up emblem of McDonald's. Yeah, in this place was emblem of McDonald's. And also we bought nuggets. Yeah, nuggets, guys, as you say McDonald's. Yeah, so we have three burgers, 2 milk cocktail, and nuggets. Also sauce and cherry pie. And we paid for this 633 rubles. This is about 10.5 American dollars. Yeah. And so, guys, let's try Russian burger as in McDonald's. Nice, as in McDonald's, really. And also, I want to try this milk cocktail. Yeah. This is really delicious and sweet. Oh, guys, right below do have such milk cocktails in McDonald's. Okay. Bon appetit in Russian McDonald's. So, guys, this was issue about new Russian McDonald's. Yeah, write below your opinions about Russian McDonald's. This really is McDonald's, but they only change brand. Yeah. So, like this video, subscribe on my channel, and bye bye. Пока-пока.